Hello and welcome back. Here is your answer video for today. Okay, on the board we have the puzzle that I gave you this morning and I have my riddle, and we'll come to that a little bit later. So to start with, a quick reminder: on the board there is an addition question. There are 4 numbers being added together. The answer is wrong. So we accepted that the answer was wrong. However, I said for this challenge you are going to keep the answer. The answer is going to be correct. What you are going to have to do is change the numbers in the question in order to make the answer right. Okay? Now, I'm hoping that you've sat there again with a piece of paper and pen, pencil, and you've been writing out numbers, you've been changing them, rubbing them out, changing them, rubbing them out, getting from one column to the next onto the end, and then finding it doesn't work and having to go back and start again, which is exactly what I did. So when I was trying to do this, I tried to make these numbers in the ones column add up to a number that ended in 1. And I did. And then I went across and did the same thing with the next column, and I did. Then I went to the hundreds column. Surprise, surprise, it didn't work. So I had to go back. And guess what? There is actually only one solution. So there is going to be massive credit for anybody out there who has managed to get this answer. Okay? The clue, and this is the horrible bit, when you see the answer you go, that's obvious. But until you see it, you don't know. The number at the bottom, the answer, 1111, if you look at it, we have 11 and 11. What 2 numbers add up to make 11? That's right. 5 and 6. Do we have 5 and 6 in the question on the board? Yes, we do. So in actual fact, to make the 11 here, which is actually 11, all we need is the 5 and the 6. So we are going to have to get rid of everything else that is in the ones column and the tens column. So now let's double check. 5, 6, 0, 0. Add those together, what do we make? We make 11. We put the 1 in, carry the 1 across. Let's put that there for us. 0, 0, 0, 0, plus the 1 makes the 11. So up to this point, we know that those 2 columns are correct. Now we need to look at the last column, the hundreds column. 5 add 6 add 7 add 8 is definitely not adding up to 11. But once again, which of those 2 numbers, or which of those 4 numbers, will add up to 11? Again, it's going to be 5 and 6. The only 2 numbers we're going to leave in are the 5 and 6. Five, 6, 0, 0 makes 11. We've done it. The answer is now correct. The question has been changed to make the answer correct. As I said, that is the only answer you can come up with. So there is absolutely massive credit, as I said, for anybody who managed to get that far. Okay, brilliant. So, riddle time. Today's riddle was a very mathematical one, and I'm actually going to have to show you it. So let's get rid of today's puzzle answer. And let's remind you of what the riddle was for today. Now, the riddle said, how do you make the number 7 even without using addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Okay, so what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write the number 7 on the board. Okay, so how do we change number 7, or make it so that it's even without adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Well, we're not. However, what we're going to do is we're going to write 7 on the board in a different way. In Roman numerals. And guess what? That's not going to help you either. However, there is one final way we can write the number 7 on the board, and that is using the word. How do we make the number 7 even without using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division? Very simple. We just remove the letter S. We remove the letter S, and what we're left with is the word even. So number 7 has been made even without any addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Just rub out one letter. That's it. So there you go. Those are your answers for today. As always, we will be back tomorrow. Do not forget there are lots of videos that came in yesterday, things that you can get involved with. So do go back and check those out if you haven't already done so. But other than that, we will see you tomorrow morning. Have a fantastic day and goodbye.